What's up, guys? Next day here, man. We are live with a blue bike in the back. Ooh, you know what time it is, man. It's finally time to hop on these things, man. I know y'all been craving some riding footage, man. We are back in the city, live in effect, man. Look like we heading to the border today, dog. Look like we heading to the border, man. Down there by Tijuana, San Diego, and everything, man. So today should be pretty fun, but gotta set up the little cameras and stuff, man, so we can get the GoPro footage and all that good stuff for you, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We about to go up today, man. Let's get right into it, though. Alrighty, man. Bro's up all night working on his tunes and grooves. Y'all see them speaker things back there. We should hear that when we ride and whatnot. But we almost about ready to go. About to layer up. Know y'all gonna hit me with the, bro, where's your leather and all the other goods and all that? Yes, I know, brother, I know. But I did grab some nice leather gloves, like that look like Thor and stuff, man. So these should be pretty cool around the knucklage. Feel me? It's like Thor hand or something. Y'all see what's going on. Blue Danny. Yellow. Feel me? Yellow lamb, yellow lemonade, yellow charm chain. Feel me? About to get up and get up out of here, dog. And this thing looking good. Sheesh. Man, I can't wait. Y'all see how we coming though, man. Alrighty, y'all, first gas stop out here about 40 minutes from SD. We probably closer than that. It's just like a lot of traffic, a lot of freaking traffic. We've been splitting cars like the last 45 minutes, no lie. Freaking clutch hand and all that is whooped, but you know it's gonna work out. But we riding and gliding. We should be there in a sec, man. So we gonna hop back on this road, get y'all some more footage, and gonna go up. Yes, sir. Just made it to SD San Diego. Now, that was a cool little ride. Now, I can say it was a bunch of freaking traffic. We had to split cars literally the last hour of the ride. We would have got here maybe about 30 minutes earlier. The ride actually isn't that long, but it was cool, man. We got us here at the car wash. Things looking wet. We about to get them even more cleaner, dog. You see what's going on. And I think this freaking day is about to be dope, man. We didn't already pulled around the area and literally seen loads of freaking bikes and stuff, man. So about to get it going, man. You see what's going on, man. You see how we coming. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. And just like that, all cleaned up, ready to hit the old picnic, man. Y'all gonna pull up right along with us, man. So stay tuned and let's hop on these bikes, dog.
To be honest, I don't care about your opinion. Where the chick? To be honest, I don't care about your opinion. Where the chick?
Yes, sir, man. We out here, San Diego. Got it lit. Got all the bikes, man. All the homies out here, man. Shout out to everybody that pulled up. It is lit, showing love. Appreciate the support, man. We got so much going on, so I'm gonna try to keep y'all in the loop as best as I can, but y'all see what's going on, big dog. Got 30 inches on wheels and all that, big dog, so I'm digging it. Man, we just gonna walk around and peep the bikes. It's a lot going on, so I'm gonna just try to find the best ones that I like, and we gonna go from there, because it is a lot of bikes here. But this one is pretty cool. I like this Nightmare on Elm Street. Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it. I can dig it, man. We got the joints. This one's pretty cool. I like that one. Nice. Big 30s on that joint. Sheesh, got the 30-inch on that joint. Look at this. Dragon. I can dig it. Got the little seat on the shindig. Oh yeah, I like this fading one right here. This is the CVO. This fade on this thing is so cold. Sheesh. I think I want to do my next bike something like that, like a nice fade. Nice fade with a little spoiler on that joint. I can dig it. I can dig it. This is a nice color right here too. This blue and white. It's a lot going on, man. So y'all got the little Road Glide specials jointed up. I love this color scheme. Got them back to back. I can dig that one. That one clean. Gray on this. Woo. I like that color scheme. Y'all see how the gray go to the black? That thing look clean. That's a nice bike. I like that joint. Handlebars and everything painted the same color. I can dig it. That joint clean too. Got that blue. It's like matted up. There's a lot going on, man. That boy got that rim on that joint. Dig it. Hey. Got tons of bikes. Yo. Oh yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Nice to meet you. I appreciate the support, man. Good looking out. Okay, they got the chrome enforcer. That joint clean. I like them chrome legs on that joint, dog. It's so much going on, like I said, man. Got that joint. Got the honey out here. Look at this red bike, though. Oh my god. This burgundy bike is nice. I like that burgundy bike. It look good. Definitely look good. Y'all gotta see this one though. Yeah, this joint killing. That shit killing. Y'all see the gold reels on that joint, dog. I like that color scheme for sure. Yeah, it look good. Look good. Oh, he say digital dash and shit, man. Nah, this shit look good as fuck though. On me. I can dig it, man. Let's see. Okay. You know, that shit clean, man. Yes, sir. We out here, man. It's time to go. Man, I'm like pretty much nearly back to LA. I'm by myself. Dre was freaking gone. I don't know where he at. I'm sure he probably at the house waiting on me right now. But I freaking I'm on low range, man. So I gotta get some gas real quick because thought I had enough to make it back, but we was on like freaking 6 miles, man. So let's gas up real quick and get this last little 15-20 minutes in. Oh, he pulled up clowning, making noise. He must have been feeling this last little ride. You was feeling this last little ride or what?
I fucking went on, tried to get some damn gas, about to run out.
Nigga, I was on 6 miles.
Nigga, I went to fucking Oxnard or I don't know where the fuck I was just at. I was just lost.
Oh my god.
Lady at the light. This nigga rolled a whole window down for his wife. She like, I like your bike. Where's your music? Like,
oh my goodness. Alrighty guys, so we got this thing loaded back up and you guys know what that means, man. It is time to head to the crib, man. So without further ado, let's hit that gas station, gas up and go on about our day, dog. Alrighty, getting drained again, but everything is good to go. Straps is on that bad boy. Checking everything. That one's good, it ain't going nowhere. But it was a cool little day. Didn't have no breakdowns, didn't have no wrecks, didn't have nothing that wasn't supposed to happen. So that's always a plus, man. Golly, 118 bucks. And I wanted a Raptor. I don't know, now would be the perfect time to say an i8 would be great because my buddy just literally told me the other day he has an i8, you guys know that, and he only put literally $40 in there since this whole year started, and dude's been freaking driving that thing. But you know, it is what it is. We'll just have to love what we got. But on our way back to the crib, man, let's get it in. Next day here, man, we done made it back to the crib. Freaking got the bike all in, everything worked out. We do got to get a new like windshield because I mean I knew it was coming anyway, but we just got to order it now. So got a little chip there, but all in all, not that bad. Pretty dope of a trip. Met some really cool people, man. So if I met you in person this weekend and you subscribe and all that good stuff, man, I definitely appreciate you. It was nice meeting you guys. Everything was freaking lit. It's pretty enjoyable, man, if I must say so myself, man. So I'm gonna have to hang it up for the day. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna chill out around the crib and stuff. But we got another Harley coming to the channel, man, real soon, probably in the next couple days or so, man. So stay tuned for that, and we're gonna get it rocking, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, I'm looking super rough right now. Gotta go get a haircut and some more stuff, but all in all, it was a cool little weekend, man. We bought the blue bike down to LA, rode it to San Diego. Man, it went up. You already know how I go though, man. So gonna have to chill out, catch up on some sleep and stuff, man. It's just been a long couple days and stuff. But if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, though, man. Peace.